Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll solve this lab. Now, first of all, what you have to do, copy this password, open Cloud Console in private window, then hit enter and paste password over here, Ctrl V, hit enter and click on I understand. Wait for a moment and click this checkbox, agree and continue. And in search box, search Vertex AI. Now click on this Vertex AI and click enable all recommended APIs. And after that, what you have to do, click on this notebook section under workbench. Click on workbench and it will take a moment to open. Okay, now click on user manage notebooks and click on Jupyter Lab. It will open in new tab and it will take few moments to open. Okay, now go to tasks, click on tasks 2, then we need to go generative AI folder. Then in generative AI folder we need to follow Gemini folder and getting started folder. Okay, now go to Jupyter Lab. Now click on generative AI folder, double click on it and click on this Gemini folder, double click on it and click on getting started, this third folder, double click and which file you have to go. Okay, intro Gemini Python file, you must click this file. Yeah, click on this last one, double click and cross check file name intro Gemini Python. Okay, this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to scroll this first command, just simply click on this run button one time and if it showed number then it means it executed and simply run one by one. Okay, run it and run it and this, run this. Okay, it's showing star means it's in running state. Wait for execution. Okay, it's done, showing number. Now scroll down and in this just simply run this and in this command you have to wait for a pop-up. Just simply run this and wait for a moment, click on OK and no need to press any key. Okay, now scroll down and click on this command, authenticate this command, simply run this, click on run button. Okay, now wait, stop here, go to your tasks and copy this project ID. Don't copy any space or comma. Now remove this and Control V and for region go to tasks and copy this region. In your lab region must be different, maybe different. Okay, now remove this and Control V. Okay, now what you have to do, just simply run this, click on run button. Okay, click run button and you run rest of comments one by one. Just simply run all of this command one by one, and this one, okay, this one, and this one, okay, showing output. Now this one, just run all of till last end. Okay, must check your file name. Okay, because all files are same. Okay, just last name are different. Okay, now you can see kernel mode is idle. Okay, now go to tasks and scroll down. Okay, click on check my progress. Okay, it takes few minutes to update, so no need to worry. Wait for this. Okay, all are yet not update, so wait for. Okay, it's done, and it also not yet update. It's done. Some tasks also updated, so it showing green tick, and some tasks still on yet not updates. No need to worry. Just wait, and yeah, it's done. It's done. Now scroll down. Check my progress on it. It's done. Now click on this. Okay. Okay. We solved any left. See. Okay. Okay. Done. Cross check again. Any left? No. So end this lab.